4b equals to 180 degree, because 2b plus 1b plus 1b, nothing is there, that means 1, or b equals to 180 by 4 equals to 45 degree. Therefore a equals to 2b, that means equals to 2 into 45 equals to 90 degree. Angle b already we have got 45 degree, and b is equals to c, so c is also equal to 45 degree. Next you see question number 16. In the adjoining figure, angle A, angle B, angle C are in the ratio 1:2:3. Find the measure of ABC. So these three angles, they are in the ratio 1:2:3, and together they form 180 degree. Alright, so let the angles be x. At first I have written the given ABC are in the ratio 1:2:3. From the figure, angle A plus B plus C equals to 180. Let the angles be equal to x. Therefore, according to question, A plus B plus C equals to 180 degree. From the figure you can understand. So A is 1x plus B is 2x plus C is 3x equals to 180 degree, or 6x equals to 180, or x equals to 180 by 6 equals to 30. Therefore angle A equals to 1x, that means it will be 30 only. B equals to 2x, so 2 into 30 is 60, and C is 3x equals to 3 into 30 equals to 90 degree. Next you see question number 17. If O is perpendicular to OB, this symbol is perpendicular, okay? Find the value of x. Now whenever any ray is perpendicular on a particular ray, that means they form the angle of 90 degree with each other. Always remember this. Now here you see O is perpendicular to OB, or OB is perpendicular to OA. It is the same thing. Now that means this whole angle is 90 degree. Alright, angle BOA is 90 degree. So angle BOA is 90 degree. Now here you see BOC, COD and DOA, all these three angles, they are forming 90 degree only divided into three parts, isn't it? So we have written it in that way, and then we have put the values. BOC is 6x plus 6, COD is 4x minus 3, DOA is 5x plus 7. So I have put them in brackets so that you can understand the angles in a better way. In the next step I have opened up the brackets, alright, and then I have added all the x together. X plus 4x is 5x, 5x plus 5x is 10x. Okay, then 6, since here it is plus, so here also it is plus, I have added them at first. So when I add them, it becomes 6 plus 7 is 13, 13 minus 3 is 10. So 10x plus 10 equals to 90 degree. Then 10x equals to 90 minus 10, so it becomes 80 degree. And finally x is equal to 80 degree by 10 equals to 8 degree. So you were asked to find out the value of x, so our x is 8 degree. I hope you understand all the sums. Practice the maths thoroughly.